Good morning, students. This is Saraswati KB, Assistant Professor, Government First Aid College, Tiptur. In this session of the video, we will continue with the analysis of characters in the play Riders to the Sea, written by John Millington Synge. In the last session, we learnt about the two main characters, Maurya and Kathleen. In this video, we will understand some of the minor characters in the play. Minor characters are the other characters in a story. They are not as important as the major characters, but still play a large part in the story. Their actions help drive the story forward. They may impact the decisions the protagonist or the antagonist make, either helping or interfering with the conflict. Characters can have different traits. Major characters will usually be more dynamic, changing, and growing throughout the story, while the minor characters may be more static. In this play, we have some of the minor characters. They are that of Nora, Bartley, the priest, and the islanders. Bartley is the youngest of Maurya's sons. When Michael's death is confirmed, he becomes the sole support of the household. He steps up to become the family's sole financial support. He earns income by riding the horses into the sea to the steamer anchored far offshore so that they can be sold at the mainland fair. Preoccupied with practical exigencies, he ignores his mother's request that he not go to the sea, being the last surviving male of the family. He nevertheless asks God's blessings on the family and rides off on the red mare leading the pony. His mother foretells his death and omits the giving of a blessing to him, an omission considered bad luck. When his mother subsequently stands on the path, trying in vain to say the blessing, he gives her his blessing. Bartley's only means of support is what gives the play its title. He rides horses out to sea and to the steamer ship, which must lay anchored far offshore. The horses are sold at the fair on the mainland, and Bartley is a brother to Kathleen and Nora. He gives them advice regarding the extra additional household chores like selling the pig and maintaining the crops to earn their livelihood. He gives advice to Kathleen to take care of the family before leaving. In this picture, he is holding the rope to halter the horse, and he is advising Kathleen how to maintain the household. He suggests him to take care of the pigs and cut the crops and grow them, because now they are not able to go to the sea as fisherwomen. It is inevitable for him to go to the sea because that is their only source of earning. In the end, he dies just like his brothers, fathers, and grandfather in the sea. He is a victim of the sea. Bartley was the only hope for Maurya. She begs him, pleads him to stay back. But Kathleen, she encourages him. Rather, she remains silent because they have no other way except to go to the sea and earn their living. With the death of Bartley, Maurya attains her peace. She gives up her anxiety, and now it is certain that she could die and follow them. Thus, the play attains a new turn with the death of Bartley at the end. We see a different Maurya from the earlier mourning, rather sad mother. She becomes stoic, and now she is able to face the dangers of the sea quite bravely. The other minor character in the play is Nora. She is the youngest member of the clan. She is a young girl and last one of Maurya's daughters. She is patient with mother's penchant for self-pity than her old sister is. At the same time, she provides a great sounding board for Kathleen to express her contrarian views. Her main function in the play is to talk with Kathleen and enable the exposition of background and commentary on the action. She speaks more respectfully to her mother than does Kathleen, and with pity about her dead brother. Nora is young and therefore she is quite modern. She has no belief in the traditional omens, signals, and pagan beliefs which Maurya rely on too much. She tries to look at the outer world practically, but she is sympathetic towards her mother and the dead brothers. She was the first person who knew about Michael's death. The priest gives her a bundle and asks her to check if those clothes were of Michael's, which were found on the dead body of a drowned corpse. She brings it to her sister Kathleen. They are discussing here about the information about Michael's death, whether it should be relieved to Maurya or not. Kathleen advises Nora not to say the secret to their mother because she was quite sensitive about her son's death and she would become much more frightened. These two sisters are now the only source of their family. All the male members are dead, and these two sisters learn how to manage the family, how to manage the mother. And in the beginning of the play, the whole family depends on its male members. But when the sea takes them off, and with their death, the female members become more prominent. And this is also another theme which we can look in the play Riders to the Sea, the gender aspect of it, wherein the women of the family come to prominence. They are the earning members of the family. And thus, Kathleen and Nora give a gender shade to the play. Okay, there is another one character of an young priest who is off stage. He is never actually seen on stage, but his presence is so vital to the story that he must be considered at least as important character as Nora. It is the priest who delivers the message through Nora that Maurya must put her faith and trust in a God that would never allow every last son of her sons to die whilst she is still alive. He is younger and more modern than Maurya. He tries to boost their hope that Michael will come back alive, and the family relies on his advice, and they believes that with his advice Bartley will not go to the sea. They have more hope in the priest. They expect him to change the mind of Bartley, by not leaving the family deserted. Thus, the priest represents the religious faith of this community, but his words goes wrong. Bartley goes to the sea and he is killed in the end. Okay, dear students, let us come to the end of this analysis of characters. You should have now learnt or be clear with the fact that the whole characters of this play centers around Maurya, a grieving old woman. She is the mother and she is the center of the play. Surrounding her are Kathleen, Nora, Bartley and Michael, who are the siblings which are talked about too in the play. Bartley is a daring horse seller. Kathleen is a caring young woman. Nora is a protective young girl. And Michael is a drowned victim. All these siblings center around the character of Maurya. And here comes the end of the character analysis of the play Riders to the Sea. Thank you for watching.